Hey folks, so I'm back and I've got Chris. We're in my new paint mixing room that I've just had developed or built, and Chris has brought me a really smart little unit which is going to make a big difference to this little working space as well. What is it, Chris, and why will it make a difference?
Okay, so what we've got here is a paint mixing room safe heater, which is EX compliant, which means that it's explosion proof. It can be fitted to the wall, either a horizontal or in vertical, or you can put it onto the ceiling. All waterborne paint needs to be kept above 5 degrees C, and it mixes better at above 15.
Not only do we have the heating panel itself, which I'm looking forward to because I'm actually going to mount it on the ceiling so it radiates the heat down where the door is, keeping the warmth in here. But it also comes with a control panel. So can you tell us a little bit about the control panel, please?
Okay, so what we have here is a 7-day control unit combined with a thermostat. So at the weekend we can actually turn down and lower the energy consumption and the heat in the room, because we're not going to be in and out of the doors all the time. And over the during the week we can have it coming on before Wayne comes in and increasing the energy, warming everything up before he goes home in the evening. It will lower the temperature so that we can reduce the energy cost. But that's all down to programming it to your individual need.
Right, so I've now mounted my heating panel onto the wall, and the reason I chose to mount it here rather than on the ceiling, which is what I said I was going to do, is because when I'm mixing the paint up in front of the computer, I can feel it coming onto my body and keeping me nice and warm, and I've also got the tints behind me, so it's warming that up. The panel itself is really easy to mount, and you've got 2 brackets, one at the top, one at the bottom. They sit about 4 inches away from the wall. Then you just wire it in, and you've got your heating control panel here, which is what Chris told us about, which is fully programmable. And I have it come in on during the day, a little bit more warmth, sort of 20 degrees in here, and then overnight, and when I'm not in here on the weekends, it drops to 10 degrees. So it just keeps the chill off it and keeps it nice and cost effective to have. So yeah, really pleased with it, and the heat it gives off is so nice as well. Makes a massive difference.